마이크 테스트 하나 둘셋넷
No Q&A with the Q today, cause I really don't have good to say. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Big neck, man, you're selling creep neck for the street neck. And I got a big neck for the chit chat, chit drop out.
Alright, let's move out. Fire in the hole!
Talking, and my sister's boyfriend looks at me and he's like, you need to stop going into your sister's room in the middle of the night. And I look at him and I'm like, what are you talking about? I don't have a reason to go into her room. Like, I don't go into her room, especially.
Yes, that gloss is real. Like, it's scented like a beautiful ice cream cake scent and looks incredibly realistic. Link to shop in my bio.
You know what that means?
Today we get to make slime.
What color should we make the slime? Okay. We need more water. Yes. What's next? Add a dot and 2 dots and stir.
Create a limited edition slime with me that will be sold on my Etsy shop. Every day, I will choose one comment to base a slime off of and sell it in a 4-ounce size on my Etsy shop. Only one of these custom slimes will be available, and the slime will only be available on my Etsy shop for 24 hours. Get creative and think of your best slime ideas. Today, the top comment has asked me to make a fruit salad slime. They requested a clear slime, however, I do not make clear slime because I have not yet found a way to make completely borax-free clear slime. This slime is extremely colorful and smells just like candy apples. It is now listed on my Etsy shop. This fruit salad slime smells absolutely amazing and looks delicious. Anyways, comment slime ideas I should make next.
Story time about how I found out my sugar daddy was stalking me. Disclaimer, this is not my story time. It was sent to me on Instagram. I signed up to a sugar daddy website last year. I lost my job because of COVID. Just started my own small business and things were not going well. I also helped my parents out with money because I didn't want them to be working during COVID. I signed up to a website and instantly I started getting messages. One man stood out because he was very active and owned several businesses. I told him I didn't want to meet up because I just wasn't going to do that, but also because of COVID. He agreed to have a phone conversation with me and then eventually he offered me $5,000 a month. This was more than enough to help me and my parents out. After that, I was basically his online companion. He would text me and I would text back. We went out to dinner a few times, but because of COVID, we kept our distance. It was truly the perfect scenario for me. Then I noticed that he started to get really clingy. If I didn't text him back right away, he would get upset. One day I got another message from the sugar daddy website. Another man was asking me to go out to dinner twice a week, and he wanted to pay me $1,000 for this. So I said, of course. When I told sugar daddy number 1 that I'd be busy 2 days out of the week, he got really mad and asked me where I lived. I told him I couldn't tell him. Part 2 is up.
Merhaba, bugün yine harika bir slime yapıyoruz. İlk olarak tuz kalıbı koyuyorum ve üstüne biraz su koyuyorum ki kıvamı daha güzel olsun. Tıraş köpüğü. Bunları güzelce karıştırıyoruz. Ben şampuan ve yıkama jeli koyacağım. Losyon, yağ, krem, şampuan, duş jeli, sabun koyabilirsiniz. Hiç fark etmez yani bu. İşte bu kısma çok dikkat etmeniz lazım. Boraksı benim koyduğum kadar, yani azıcık koyun ve sonra yaklaşık 5 dakika falan, yani slime olana kadar bunu karıştırın. Çünkü boraksı başta fazla koyarsanız çok katı oluyor. Sonra çok az daha koyuyorum ama çok azıcık. Zaten görüyorsunuz miktarını koyduğumun. Şimdi böyle pofuduk güzel bembeyaz bir slime oldu. Ama ben bunun üstüne mor bir kil ekleyeceğim. Çünkü kille yaptığım slime'lar gerçekten çok güzel oluyor. Hani normal de güzel oluyor ama kille de çok güzel oluyor. Bunları da güzelce karıştırıyorum ve sonuç bu şekilde oluyor. Gerçekten çok güzel oldu. Bence siz de deneyin çünkü çok güzel oluyor. Rengi falan da bayağı iyi oluyor kille yaptığınız zaman. Bu arada killeri kırtasiyeden 20 liraya alıyordum sanırım.